Forest 3. Today, the letter of the day is F. This is the letter F. This is the letter F. This is an uppercase F. This is a lowercase f. Let's practice naming the letter. What letter is this? F. What letter is this? F. The letter F represents the F sound. Let's practice saying the sound of this letter. The letter F represents the F sound. The letter F represents the F sound. I have some items that start with the letter F. I have fruit. A banana and an apple are fruits. Fruits. I have floss. Floss starts with floss is to keep our teeth and gums healthy. I have flashlight. Flashlight says flashlight. Behind me, I have a fish tank. Inside there are 3 fish. They are sleeping right now, though. It's still dark for them. I also have something kind of fun. I have a flute. Flute starts with flute. This is an instrument. I can play some for you. Flute. I have a note to Forest 3. Inside the note is lots of F's. Let's see if we can find all the F's and highlight them. Hi, Forest 3 friends. Friends starts with F. It's a fabulous day to find some letter F's. Where else can you find some funny starts with F's. We found all the F's. Let's count how many we found. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's practice writing some F's. First, I'll write on the paper, and then we can practice together writing in the air. Okay. Let's write an uppercase F. Big line across, big line down, little line in the middle. Let's do one more uppercase F. Big line across, big line down, little line in the middle. Let's do a lowercase f. This is going to have a big line with a curve at the top. So curve your big line, little line crosses in the middle. Curve your big line, little line crosses in the middle. Let's practice in the air. Get your finger ready. We'll start at the top of the uppercase F. Remember, big line across, big line down, little line in the middle. One more time. Big line across, big line down, little line in the middle. A lowercase f, we're going to curve our big line and cross it in the middle. Let's do it together. Curve your big line, cross it in the middle. The last thing I want to do today is to make a list and write down all of the F words we found. Remember, F is for fruit. Let's write the word fruit. Fruit. This is a flute. Those rhyme. Fruit and flute. Let's write the word flute. Fruit and flute rhyme. They both start with F. Let's write the word fish. The sh sound is in the word fish. F, F, F. They all start with the letter F. The letter F represents the sound F. I wonder what items in your home you can find with the letter F. You can make a list and find them. You can also practice writing or write a note and circle all the F's like we did. Have a wonderful day. Bye.